Hello friends, I am Anant Joshi, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. I firstly welcome you this fifth semester course that is Power Engineering and Refrigeration. As all of you know that power producing and absorbing devices are essential for mechanical engineering. It is necessary for mechanical engineering technologies to analyze working and plot performance of devices like internal combustion engines, air compressor, gas turbines, so that he will be able to operate them effectively in an industrial situation. This knowledge is also useful in selecting suitable prime mover for given application and to maintain and test the same. This course also gives basic exposure of refrigeration and air conditioning equipment which play an important role in maintaining controlled atmosphere in different domestic and industrial applications. A separate elective course on refrigeration and air conditioning is also available in 6th semester for in-depth knowledge of the course. Let us discuss the course outcomes of this course. The theory, practical experiences and relevant soft skills associated with this course are to be taught and implemented so that the students demonstrates the following industry oriented COs associated with the above mentioned competency. First CO is to identify different components of IC engines. Then students will be able to test the performance of IC engines. After studying this course, student will be able to maintain the reciprocating air compressors, identify different components of gas turbines and jet engines, and finally the students can test the performance of refrigeration and air conditioning system. The main theory components of this course includes the following chapters. The course includes basically 5 chapters. First unit is internal combustion engines and it is allotted for 12 teaching hours and the 16 marks are to be asked in MSBT question paper. Then second chapter is testing of IC engines and emission control. It is given 12 teaching hours in our syllabus and 16 marks for the MSBT question paper. Then the next chapter is air compressor. It have got 8 teaching hours and 14 marks. Then next is gas turbines and jet propulsion. It have got 4 teaching hours and 8 marks. And the last is fifth chapter, that is refrigeration and air conditioning. This chapter have got teaching hours of 12 and 16 MSBT marks. Other than the classroom and laboratory learning, following are the suggested student related co-curricular activities which can be undertaken to accelerate the attainment of various course outcomes. Students should conduct following activities in group and prepare reports of about 5 pages for each activity. Also collect physical evidences for their portfolio which will be useful for their placement interviews. In that, first activity is to prepare a PowerPoint presentation on emission norms. Second activity is to make charts for performance characteristics of IC engines. Third activity is make a chart showing heat balance sheet format to display in our laboratory. The next, collect specification of domestic refrigerators and window air conditioners from the manufacturer's website. collect information on different tests actually used for IC engines. The next activity is measure dry bulb temperature, that is DBT, and wet bulb temperature, that is WBT, using thermometer, and use the psychrometric chart to calculate the different psychrometric properties of a moist air. Then prepare troubleshooting chart for domestic refrigerator, window air conditioner. Prepare troubleshooting chart for IC engines. Prepare seminar report on dual fuel and hybrid engines. Visit an industry where air compressors are monitored online using SACDA or similar system. Write a report on the same visit. And finally, the last activity is to collect IC engine fuel characteristics, including information on RON and MON. Apart from these various activities, we have to conduct a micro project. Only one micro project is planned to be undertaken by a student that need to be assigned to him or her in the beginning of the semester. In the first 4 semesters, the micro projects are group based. However, in the 5th and 6th semesters, it should be preferably be individual, undertaken to build up the skill and confidence in every student to become problem solver, so that he or she contributes to the projects of the industry. In special situations where groups have to be formed for micro projects, the number of students in the group should be not exceed 3. The list of suggested micro projects are given at the end of the syllabus. Go through that syllabus and select any one micro project. There are various learning resources for our course. In that, I have chosen the 3 books on power engineering and refrigeration. That is, first is Course in Thermal Engineering by V.M. Damkundwar, the publisher of Dhanpat Rai and Company. Second, Internal Combustion Engines by V. Ganeshan, the Tata McGraw-Hill publication. In Internal Combustion Engine by V. Ganeshan gives the deep knowledge about the IC engines. And the last is Refrigeration and Air Conditioning by Khurmi R.S. and Gupta J.K. by Yash Chand Publications. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned about the basic things of the refrigeration, power engineering and refrigeration subjects. From next video, we have to go for actual teaching of the power engineering and refrigeration subject. Thank you.